In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome. This is a very simple process, but it's essential if you want to manage your channel, upload videos, or check your analytics. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along, even if you're completely new to YouTube. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type in youtube.com and press enter. This will take you to the main YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that's linked to your YouTube channel. You can check this by looking at the top right corner of the screen. If you see a profile picture or an initial inside a circle, that means you're signed in. If not, click there and log in with your Google account details. Once you're signed in, you're effectively on your YouTube dashboard as a viewer. It's worth noting that the process I'm about to show you works the same way in almost any modern browser. So even though we're using Chrome here, you can follow the exact same steps in browsers like Edge, Firefox, or Safari. The layout and buttons might look slightly different, but the options and locations are basically identical. Now, look again to the top right corner of the YouTube page. You should see your profile icon. This might be your photo, a logo, or just the first letter of your name. Click on that profile icon once. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. In this menu, look for the option labeled YouTube Studio. It's usually somewhere near the top of the list. This is the control center for your channel, where you can see your content, set up live streams, check comments, and view detailed performance analytics. Go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. As soon as you click, YouTube will open the Studio interface in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser settings. Give it a moment to load. Once it's open, you'll be on the main Studio dashboard. And from here, you can explore all the tools available to creators. And that's all you need to do to open YouTube Studio on Chrome.